Here's a Pontiac to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1971 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ model. 455 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 400 to be exact. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome front end on this car. Just do not see a lot of these SJs around anymore. Good looking chrome grille, headlight surrounds. Has had a repaint along the way. It is a 24 paint code, so Adriatic blue, 291 trim, dark blue interior, and also nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. There's also a picture of the build sheet, data tag, VIN number, all on this car. Protecto plate. So a lot of the original paperwork, I guess you could say, goes along with this. Of course, vinyl bucket seat cover, shifter on the center console. Yes, it would have been produced with a white vinyl top back in '71. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, take a look at the chrome in the rear. Chrome is in nice shape on this car. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And 507-386-1726 is the number you can reach us at. Originally a Southern car too. I believe it was delivered in Atlanta, Georgia, if I remember right, from the build sheet. I love these door handles too. Take a look at these. You don't see these every day. Let's go ahead and push right here. Handle pops out. All right, interior has had a little bit of repair on the armrest here. But other than that, showing very nicely. And you'll be able to take a look at the undersides of the doors and the still pictures. Again, data tag from underneath the hood. VIN, you'll see that build sheet. It appears that the vinyl is free of really much of any wear. Little spot right there, but I don't see any rips, tears, or holes that stand out. How about the headliner? Intact, looking good. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. I have had the wipers working, horn works, radio powers up, but I'm inside a building, so I didn't get any reception, but I did power up, static and everything. May work better outside. There's your HVAC controls. Again, AC blows cold. Take a look at the condition of this dash. 455 sounds good in this one too. Wow. Nice little rumble. See the tachometer over here working. Odometer reads 83,560. On a car, once it's a certain age, the miles get marked exempt, so the miles do not stay on the title. Can't confirm or deny if that's original. Judging by underside of the hood, engine bay, interior, it definitely wouldn't surprise me if that is indeed original miles. All right. Flip around to the back. Listen to that. Sounds good. All right. Let me slip up to the front here. I want to pop this hood and check out the engine bay. So give me a second. Let me get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. Wrap this video up. Okay, get a look at the hood liner. Look at how clean and tidy this engine bay is. Again, 455, 4-barrel. That's the way this car would have been produced. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Check out the build sheet. It's in the still pictures. AC has been converted. 134 from the R112. Nice sounding, good looking engine bay. Be able to see the data plate and the still pictures.
Here we're going to take a 1971 Pontiac Grand Prix for a drive. It's a little windy out today.
Emerging from a vehicle.
Radio works. Turn signal indicators work. Runs good, accelerates good. Shows about a quarter of the temperature gauge. Oil pressure is about 70. Fuel gauge is on a quarter. That's 60 miles an hour. We've got wind noise, however it is windy out today. Wipers work. Car track straight. Straight, brakes are firm. The blower motor does work.
The Grand Prix you see every day, 1971 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ model, real deal. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.